Oh, don't do that.
That's gonna make you salivate and want to buy all the expensive stuff. Yeah. How much is it?
I don't know. I'm trying to find a used one.
Yeah. Is this the original HSD though, right? Yeah. Dude, that thing is seriously bright. Your burner. Crazy whack birds! Here, you go first. Yeah. Go. I don't care. It's good. All good. Shit, I didn't know power was on. Oops. I didn't know I still had throttle on. Go ahead. Nice. That's better, huh? Alright, going up. Your didn't go up? That looks cool. They're not behaving?
There we go.
You got it.
Up!
Yeah. Oh, wait, no, we're right here. Jesus. Okay, you can do it now. We're clear. Okay, stay high. Go, we're high. The wind is weird as hell right there. I'm trying to stick with you. Go right. We're gonna do one right behind you. Right behind you, go. No, we're coming back the other way. Thing hauls, Frank.
Sheesh!
I mean, I knew it was going to be hard to keep up. I'm okay with that.
Oh my god.
For a foam plane, I'm not doing too bad, though. Yeah, that thing scoots.
Ah, that's good, man.
Okay, but he's down. We can...
Roger.
1. Time expired.
Whoa!
Weird wind. You okay? Get on it. That was crazy. What the hell was that?
It just, I stalled it.
Coming in. Landing! Just to be safe. Weird wind at that end.
Landing flaps.
Whoa, shit. Almost lost it. Alright, I'm down.
Yeah?
I don't think he's ever going to want to sell it. You're clear. You're clear. Come on. Man, that was crazy. Be careful at the edge of the runway. There's some weird rotor right there. Yeah, you're flying over it right now. Right about there, it gets weird. There you go. It did it to you, but you caught it. There you go. Woo! Brakes! Nice.
Look at that! That's kind of cool!
It is.
Dude, it's completely stopped!
Because you got drag.
Yeah! And the headwind, that was... Yeah, dude, I totally stalled it on that.
I saw it in your own...
And it just went... Whoop! And it just... I stalled it. Yeah. But then I was like, I got enough altitude. That was the first time I ever done that. That was nuts.
That was crazy. And it did this weird, like, death spiral.
That was crazy.
Good stuff. Very cool project.
Yeah, I love this.
That's the HSD fin, right?
Yeah. I think I know that's